Well, this is Debbie Lochner here on Bird Climb. This is basically what Bird Climb looks like for those. I'll be doing a review for it, but it's a pre-review. Oh my goodness, look at that. They're kissing. Disgusting notion. Top Titans. What's that? Wait. If I get it, I'll do another video on it, but I haven't notified you that yet, but this is Captain Creeper alone. Not Vicious Slime or Crazy Maniac or any of the others. Creating random battle. What's like doing these because I go on, I kick the bots and they're like, wait, what? I just got beat. And I'm like, yeah, you just got beat. And then what? What's the point in facing me? Well, now I got loose. I lost. Because that is what I always got to get. Got it. Thank you. I got 0 stars. Well, thanks for me. I'm just going to, well,